who are part of the organizing committee for the Hindu Women's Conference run by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad Atlanta chapter. We do this every year, and this is an event that we look forward to because this is something that is very near and dear to our hearts. The aim of the entire conference is to build a network of Hindu women so that women who are in this country, so far away from near and dear ones, from family, from familiar circumstances, some of them have just come to this country, some of them have been here for 40, 50 years. We want to build a network where people feel comfortable, where women feel comfortable to reach out to each other, to share their joy, to share their sorrow, to have a sounding board for a better perception, a different perception, if you will. And so every year we try to bring together the community and focus on different challenges that we face as women. So last year we had focused on mental and health issues facing women. This year our focus is marriage. We've noticed as a group, as our children are growing up, as children have grown, a lot of kids of Indian origin are very reluctant to get married. They ask about why, what. And so this year our main focus topic is about marriage as sanskar. And we are so looking forward to our audience participating and to hearing about what all people can come up with, because ultimately, if we don't learn from each other, we will not be growing. So something...
This is such a great platform to talk about it. We are talking about the marriage as a Hindu sanskara. So I'm really happy to, introduce that topic today. So I think there will be a lot of fun. Yeah, a good informative session.
So next year, if you're not here this year, next year, please don't forget, we have a Facebook page. So please go look us up, and please do participate. The more of us that get together, the better we will grow as a community.
The whole idea about coming here was to just connect with the people of like minds. As हम लोग दोनों समझते हैं कि भारत हमारी जन्मभूमि है और अमेरिका हमारी कर्मभूमि है, तो it's already finding a balance. But being a Hindu, we also struggle with finding the balance between the cultures. So this kind of a conference help us connect with like-minded people. What can we do with our children? How to cultivate that awesome heritage we have. Unfortunately, kids have that weird impression about India कि बहुत corruption है, pollution है. They know only the bad part of it because probably in our busy working life we have never introduced them to the good part of Indian heritage other than Bollywood and costume, which is great. But this kind of conference puts on the same platform. We see that many parents, many women, young and old, are facing kind of similar challenges, and it gives us an idea. And also, it's a very good platform for women of my age, younger age, older than me, to connect with each other. We already have that Indian bond in us. वो भारतीयता, वो देसी taste है हम लोगों में about the culture, about the spirit. तो ये वो आगे की panels भी आने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. You talk about everything. You talk about skills of life. I think next talk is about that. You talk about challenges in life, and most importantly, how to face them. You meet the real-time women who have gone through all kind of challenges, raising kids, balancing the career, having a divorce, children not kind of as you expected them to be. So, and the best part of this particular one this year is I see a lot of young girls, and it's very impressive to talk to them. It's kind of as a mother or as a parent we have taken that they don't know or they don't care. So it's really a good feeling that yes, they do care.
We're here for the youth conference for the Hindu Women's Conference, and everyone here is 14 years and over. And this year we're doing something special. We're having a separate session for the young women. So we'll be talking about things like mental health and spirituality versus rituals. And it's going to be very fun. It's going to be very exciting because they'll be able to see perspectives from their own mindset through an Indian woman.
I am really glad to be here as part of the VHPA Women's Conference. I have been invited here. I've been attending it for the last couple of years, and I've been invited this time as a guest speaker to talk about health and nutrition and using nutrition to reverse chronic diseases such as hypertension, heart disease, diabetes, and some forms of cancer. So I'm here to educate the people and help them out in terms of their nutritional needs. VHP is doing an excellent job here in getting the women together to form a good support group. They're doing a lot of seva activities around the local areas that they're part of. They are educating children not only in Hindi but also about Hindu values and Hindu way of life. So I applaud them and really appreciate all their efforts in putting this conference and many more together.
मनुष्यता को सही मार्गदर्शन देने के लिए, अध्यात्म का रास्ता दिखाने के लिए, संस्कारों की भूमिका निश्चित करने के लिए ये वीमेन कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है। मैं समझती हूँ हम लोगों के बालक तुलसी के पौधे हैं जिनको वासनाओं की शराबों से नहीं, संस्कारों के गंगा जल से सींचा जाना चाहिए और इसकी पूरी जिम्मेदारी मातृ जगत की बनती है, महिलाओं की बनती है। उसी विषय में यहाँ चिंतन हो रहा है। मैं थोड़े समय के लिए सबके बीच में आके अपनी बात मैंने रखी। मैं समझती हूँ कि सारी दुनिया एक विषय की तरफ इंतज़ार कर रही है, शांति, आनंद, सृजन, और इसके लिए भारत की स्त्री ही नेतृत्व करेगी क्योंकि उसे मालूम है कि कैसे वो जगदीश्वरों को, नारायणी सत्ता को भी अपनी कोख में धारण करने की सामर्थ्य रखती है। इसलिए सारे संसार की देवियों का, स्त्रियों का नेतृत्व भारत की नारियां करेंगी क्योंकि भारत की नारियां गंगा के गंगत्व की गहराई हैं। वो बरसाती नाले जैसी उच्छृंखल नहीं है, उनके पास ममता की और करुणा की गहराई है। उसका प्रसाद सारे विश्व को मिले, ऐसी मैं कामना करती हूँ।